Priests, rulers, craftsmen, merchants, and families working side by side transform Nehemiah's vision into visible progress in Nehemiah chapter 3. After the people agreed to rise and rebuild Jerusalem, the enormous task is divided into manageable sections, with different groups repairing gates and stretches of wall around the city. The work begins with Eliashib, the high priest, and his fellow priests. They rebuilt the sheep gate, dedicated it, and set its doors in place. From there, they repaired the wall as far as the Tower of the 100 and the Tower of Hananel. Beside them worked the men of Jericho, followed by Zaccur son of Imri. The sons of Hassenaah rebuilt the fish gate, laying its beams and installing its doors, bolts, and bars. Meremoth son of Uriah repaired the next section, followed by Meshullam son of Berechiah and Zadok son of Baana. The men of Tekoa worked nearby, although their nobles refused to participate in the work assigned by their supervisors. The rebuilding continued around Jerusalem. Joiada son of Paseah and Meshullam son of Besodiah repaired the Jeshanah gate. Melatiah the Gibeonite and Jadon the Meronothite repaired another section, while Uzziel son of Harhaiah, one of the goldsmiths, worked beside Hananiah, a maker of perfumes. People whose normal occupations had little to do with construction were helping rebuild the city. Rephaiah son of Hur, ruler of half the district of Jerusalem, repaired a section. Next came Jedaiah son of Harumaph, who worked opposite his house, followed by Hattush son of Hashabniah. Malchijah son of Harim and Hashub son of Pahath Moab repaired another section and the Tower of the Ovens. Shallum son of Hallohesh, ruler of the other half of Jerusalem's district, worked with his daughters. The Valley Gate was repaired by Hanun and the residents of Zanoah. They rebuilt it, installed its doors, bolts, and bars, and repaired 1,000 cubits of wall as far as the Dung Gate. Malchijah son of Rechab repaired the Dung Gate, while Shallun son of Kolhose repaired the Fountain Gate. Shallun also restored the wall of the Pool of Siloam near the King's Garden, continuing toward the stairs descending from the city of David. The record then follows the work through other sections of Jerusalem. Nehemiah son of Azbuk repaired as far as a point opposite the tombs of David, the artificial pool, and the house of the heroes. Levites joined the effort, including Rehum son of Bani and Hashabiah, ruler of half the district of Keilah. Other district leaders repaired sections assigned to them. Some people completed more than one portion. The men of Tekoa, whose nobles had refused to participate earlier, repaired another section stretching from the great projecting tower to the wall of Ophel. Priests repaired areas near their own homes. Benjamin and Hashub worked opposite their houses, while Azariah son of Messiah repaired beside his home. Binnui son of Henadad repaired another section extending toward the corner. The work continued around the upper parts of Jerusalem. Palal son of Uzai repaired opposite the projecting tower near the king's house. Pedaiah son of Parosh worked nearby, while the temple servants living on the hill of Ophel repaired toward the water gate. Goldsmiths and merchants worked near the inspection gate and continued as far as the sheep gate, bringing the chapter back toward the place where the account began. Nehemiah 3 contains many names, locations, and assignments, but that detail is precisely what makes the chapter important. The wall was not rebuilt by Nehemiah alone. Some repaired gates, others rebuilt long stretches of wall. Some worked near their homes, some were religious leaders, others government officials, craftsmen or merchants. Even Shallum's daughters are specifically remembered among those participating. And one small detail provides a revealing contrast. The nobles of Tekoa refused to join the work, while the ordinary people of Tekoa went on to repair 2 sections. The chapter therefore leaves us with a practical lesson about shared responsibility. A large mission becomes possible when people faithfully take responsibility for the part in front of them. Not everyone needs the same role, the same ability, or the same visibility. The people of Jerusalem rebuilt because many individuals contributed something specific to a common purpose. Sometimes we become overwhelmed by the size of what needs to be done. Nehemiah 3 offers another way of looking at it. Identify your section, do it faithfully, and allow your contribution to connect with the work of others. By the end of the chapter, Jerusalem's broken perimeter is becoming a connected construction site. but visible progress will attract stronger opposition. In Nehemiah chapter 4, Sanballat and Tobiah move from ridicule to threats. As the danger increases, Nehemiah will organize the people in an extraordinary way, continuing the construction while also preparing them to defend Jerusalem.